you can place it as much as possible at the edge, like this. Also a little bit.
Malerierne fra vinterstuen er ankommet til Statens Museum for Kunst, hvor de skal scannes.
Vi scanner billederne for at finde ud af, hvilke pigmenter, der er blevet brugt i maleriet. Forskerne vil kunne bruge det til ligesom at kunne fortælle noget mere om vinterstuen. Det er jo en enestående situation, at alle malerierne er blevet taget ud, så vi kan lave alle de her undersøgelser, der er.
It's more exciting, for a scientist at least, to see a damaged painting instead of an original one, because I can give you a piece of information which is more valuable. If you see that the sky now is brownish, grayish, and I tell you that this sky 500 years ago was actually blue, it's more exciting by the point of view of what we can get through those images.
Vinterstuen er det mest velbevarede rum fra Christian den 4. tid og skal nu gennemgå et omfattende restaureringsprojekt i et samarbejde mellem Kongernes Samling og Slots- og Kulturstyrelsen. Det er finansieret af Augustinusfonden.
Safest place is opposite to the direction of the X-rays.
Ja.
Now it's about to start. Here we go. So the instrument is moving while acquiring.
Ja.
So it's acquiring spot by spot, and it's moving up of one row and going back. The blue box is basically the instrument. It moves left to right and top to bottom. So it's basically scanning, which means it's moving and acquiring at the same time. So is exploiting a physical phenomenon which is called the photoelectric effect. Is the atoms are excited by the X-rays and they flourishes.
This would be the first scan, where it's just one part of the painting, and then you'll do the second scan. So because this is like vertical, but then there will come an extra scans. And
That's correct.
Jamen, jeg synes, det er vildt. Det er jo meget sjovt at se, også at det er muligt at, ligesom at kunne skelne de forskellige farver. Altså at netop at blå er ikke bare blå.
You see the red spot is moving in the screen.
Her kan man se, hvordan det bevæger sig her. Så kan man se grene og blade. Det er lidt sjovt. So here you printed out the map of the colors, both the visible image I can see, and so here when we turn this, you can see the mercury red.
Vermilion or cinnabar. It was used for painting the horse and the characters' attire. A few details.
So
the copper map.
Ja,
copper map.
Det er de kobberholdige farver, som man så kan se her på det her billede her. Den blå farve her, det er en blå kobberfarve, og så er den grønne, som også er en grøn kobberfarve.
Samtlige malerier fra vinterstuen skal scannes, og resultatet kan give forskerne en værdifuld ny viden.
We have two different blues in this painting. One type of blue was used for painting the sky and the body of water, and the mountain in the background. I can already see pattern, so once I will have scanned all of them, I can apply a sort of statistical approach and see, is this pigment used in all the paintings or in some of them? Can we characterize, can we group them? Why is that?